The IVS-500 comes with the Polytech Vibrometer Panel Software. You can find it on the USB stick of the software package. For the installation, you need administrator rights for your PC, and internet access. For the installation, proceed as follows. Open the USB stick. Install the license file. This will enable you to install the Vibrometer Panel software using Polytech Update. Install the Polytech Update software. Run Polytech Update. Download and install the latest Vibrometer Panel software. If there are hotfixes available, please install them too. The Polytech Vibrometer Panel software is now fully installed, and you can run it. The IVS-500 must be connected and switched on. First, check whether the interface is correctly configured. If the junction box is connected by USB, select COM port, and then any. You can then click on the Connect button. First, make sure that you have a good signal level, and if necessary, perform a manual or automatic focus. Select the smallest possible velocity range to achieve optimum measuring results. To do so, check the time signal in your data acquisition software. Optimal is a level of more than 30% of the 4 volts measuring range. Adjust the calibration value to the measurement range selected in the Vibrometer Panel software. This refers to the output voltage of 4 volts. Divide the measuring range by 4 to obtain the calibration factor. Select the smallest possible bandwidth you still want to measure with the IVS-500. Higher frequencies are then suppressed and the noise is reduced. If necessary, low-frequency disturbances can be eliminated by activating the high-pass filter. The ASE filter can overcome short signal level dropouts. Dropouts are short velocity peaks in the time signal. At a test bench, it is recommended to perform the remote focus each time a new test specimen is in the test bench. The autofocus can also be performed in only a small range. Select User 1 for the power-up mode. The system will then load all settings even if it is switched off. Determine the current focus position. Then set the autofocus range accordingly.